So here are the ingredients which we are going to use today. To begin with, in my pan I am taking 2 tablespoons of butter and I am going to melt it properly with the help of a little bit oil so that my butter will not burn. Now I am going to add sliced mushrooms into it, which are around 115 grams, and I am going to cook it for around 5 minutes. Now I am adding some salt into it and black pepper according to my taste. And I am going to give it a nice mix to my mushrooms. Here are nicely sauteed mushrooms. And now I am adding a red chili powder around 2 teaspoons. If you want more spicy, you can add more of red chili powder. Now here I am adding fresh cream, which is around 90 ml. And I am going to cook the cream for around 1 minute, not more than that. After 1 minute, now I am adding handful of chopped mint into it, or Pudina, and I am going to give it a nice mix. Here is more of fresh cream. So we are done. Do try this recipe at home and do let me know.
Nice.